just want to come from my heart and tell you the idea of Entrepreneurs Inner Circle and why that is so close to my heart. 11 years ago, when I transitioned from being an attorney, and that was at the moment when I lost everything, and that means that I lost essentially the opportunity to make money. I was working as a real estate attorney and recession hit, and I was lost. I was really frustrated, desperate, and at that moment, the opportunity that I found was through a coaching program. So the coaching program gave me the tools, the resources, and most importantly, the community, which I am forever grateful. I said one day, I want to create my own. I want to create my tribe. The science of getting rich says that the more you give, the more you get. And that is the principle that I use. I use those principles to just pour my wisdom, my strategies, my tears, my sweat, my time, and all of the effort that I have put to build my company to the place where we are today, so that the people who are going through what I went through 10 years ago can find that community that I found at that point.
I put my trust into Jessica, and I couldn't be more happy. I have my phone rings all the time. I've built some really amazing relationships along the way as well.
What really creates a transformation is in the accountability. It's in the fact that I see them 2 times a month, and I get to listen to them, and I get to meet them where they are. And simply the question that I ask them every other week: what is the number one challenge that you're going through right now, so I can give you the solution to that challenge? And that simple question ignites the conversation, and we have beautiful sessions every other week, and that really fills my heart from all points. Some of them are just starting up, and some of them are, on path and on track to hit $50 million. And we're here to support them, to meet them where they are, and to give them all the tools they need and beyond, and we actually have different tracks because of that, because obviously they don't have the same challenges. But at the end of the day, they're open to have conversations